Hi guys, welcome back to our Topper Chef channel. Today is Tuesday. The tip for today is cutting pieces for kebabs. Now you can see here, when we buy something like this, there are big breasts and then there are small ones. Now when they are thick like this, you have to separate them. Now you see this one is small, so you keep all the big ones together and the small ones together. The reason I'm showing you is this, that when you're cutting for a thick one like this, you need to slice it in between here so you can get it evenly. Okay, so if you take a thick one and you cut thick pieces like this for kebabs, then you're gonna get an uneven cut. So in this case, what I usually do is go like this and butterfly it all the way through. Here you go. So now you got this. Now you can cut it this way, 1, 2, and 3, and then you can, this will be even pieces on the skewer. That's how you got to cut for kebabs, so they are even pieces like this. Now a small piece like this, a thin piece like that, look this is nothing to cut here, right? So all you do is just 1, 2, and then put this together with this. So they are almost the same size as this one. Look at this. Now if you would have cut it with that, this would have been extra, right? So now you can make more pieces with this. So here we go. This one is here, and this is here. Now we have pieces 1, 2. Now if you don't want to use this, you can use it for cooking that for juliennes or something like that. So here we go. This is how you got to cut for kebabs for evenly. So when you put it in the skewer, you don't have one big and one small pieces. When that happens, then some pieces are not cooked and some pieces are overcooked. Now there is another way to skewer chicken, okay? So this is what we do when we are doing chicken tikka. Now the reason for that is you want all the marinade to go, the ginger garlic paste and everything to go inside there, right? So they cut it in very thin slices like this. And they will cut it in thin slices, and when they're skewering, they envelope this like this and they cook it. So it's thin, it goes like that. So what happens is the marinade sits here, the marinade sits out, and it's not cooked right inside. Then when it's taken out, then it can be cooked for chicken tikka masala or anything like that. So that way you are not, when you put it in this gravy, it's not very dry or overcooked. So same thing like this, they take this, and when they're skewering, they butterfly it and put it like this. So that's the way to do for chicken tikka masala, or here we go again. Here it is. Cut it like this and it's marinated like this. Here we go. So that's the topper tip, and you will see the difference while you are cooking it just evenly, straight on, or cooking it butterfly like that. That will be a completely different way of cooking. That's the tip for today. Happy cooking.